When a believer seeks forgiveness of Allah, he or she is convinced within his or her heart that Allah has heard. And Allah sees my sincerity and knows it. And Allah will forgive me and has forgiven me. And I will not let shaitan come and make me doubt the mercy and forgiveness of Allah. Because at times, like I said, because of human nature, when we falter, we seek the forgiveness of Allah, and we know that shaitan had trapped us, but shaitan comes back to us after we sought forgiveness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and he makes us think for a moment that, no man, what you did is a little bit too big for Allah to forgive. It was very, very bad. You know, yesterday's